Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the structure, not by overplanning. Lay out pay stubs, recent bank statements, and monthly bills in front of you so you can see cash flow. Open the binder and place labeled tabs: income, expenses, savings, debts, goals. Insert a ledger template into the first sleeve and write your monthly net income at the top. Once done, record each recurring expense with amounts and due dates. This establishes the baseline you'll refine next. Now you get detailed. Start logging every purchase for at least 30 days into fixed, variable, and discretionary categories. Use the ledger to write date, payee, amount, and category. Tally weekly so you spot trends. Once a category total emerges, assign a monthly limit and flag any overspend in red. This creates behavioral feedback. Make sure to reconcile receipts with bank statements weekly so balances match. When variance appears, annotate causes. Finish by automating what you can. Set monthly transfers for savings, allocate paychecks to priority debts, and place completed bills in archive sleeves. Build a quarterly review checklist to reconcile totals, revise category limits, and update goals as income or expenses change. If your binder's numbers don't match your accounts, don't panic. Recheck each entry, look for bank holds or pending transactions, and remove duplicates. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify dates and cleared amounts first, then adjust reconciliations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.